Okay, thank you very much for the opportunity. My name is Godsway, and in this video, I'm going to present you some uh, very important things which we must know as we grow. Like you know, times have passed. A lot of things have happened. There have been, changes in the systems of the world. There has been an advancement in technology, and now from the comfort of your home, you can do anything you want to. You can go to school from the comfort of your home, from uh, the beginning to the end, from preschool to university. You can actually go to school from the comfort of your home. You don't need to go to sit in any classroom to, begin to learn. So a lot of things have happened, a lot of changes which are actually, changing lives, making things easy, making things very, very, very much easier for us all to get on. So I want to say that, like you all know, uh, I'm a Ghanaian, okay? I'm a Ghanaian, and I've been taught that if I want a good life, then I have to go to school, I have to get a good degree, I have to go in fact, get a good grade, okay? Go to school, study hard, make the grades, and at the end of your school, you are going to get a very good employment. You are going to, make it in life. And we followed suit to that, and we pursued our dreams. Now we have finished school, and when you come to Africa, you come to Ghana, there's a group called Unemployed, Association of Unemployed Graduate Association. So these are graduates, these are people who have gone to the universities, they have gone to learn, but at the end of their studies, there's no job for them, there's no opportunity for them to put the talents, the skills that they have gone to learn to work. So you see that at the end of the day, all the time that you have spent studying in school, all the time that you have spent, reading the courses, the programs, and all of them, you see at the end of the day, you are not really making anything out of it. So there's a need for us to know what is going on around. There's a need for us to be be updated on things that are happening, the fields that we have to study, and it's really very important. So it is no longer about you going to school, getting the best grades and getting the first classes or second classes, and then after school you are going to get employed. It is no longer like that, right? So we as students, it is important for us to rethink through the box. Even as we are studying, there's a need for us to come up with strategies that we can put in place so that when we finish school, when we graduate from university, when we graduate from the colleges of education, from the nurses training, from all the institutions that provides us with skills, at the end of the day we wouldn't be stranded, looking out for a job, looking out for who will employ us, and all those things, right? So in this video, I'm just going to share that I have an opportunity. There's an opening. When I was in the university, I completed University of Professional Studies, and I'm currently doing my national service. Okay. When I was in school, I got introduced to a number of opportunities that I could have learned in school. I could have learned whilst I'm still in school through online platforms. But in fact, the fees I had to pay to get the skills, I didn't have it, because looking at the amount of fees we pay in school here in the University of Professional Studies, and taking care of yourself, it's not easy getting accommodation and everything. I realized that I wouldn't be able to add something else to my the burden that I'm already carrying, because I had to pay like $300 every single month for me to be able to acquire the skill, and I didn't have it. So, but I was still hoping that I'll be able to get some opportunities to learn those skills, because I really research around them, and I found out that these are skills that you can learn. You can, they are transgenerational skills. When you learn it, you are able to teach your children. You are able to transfer it. They don't need to go to school to go and learn it, right? So it's an opportunity. If you are looking out to partner with institutions that are coming up, institutions that are companies that are taking advantage of technology, and then they are employing all the means, using all the standards and things to work. You want to come on board. I'm going to put my contact in the link, and all you have to do is to contact me. We have all the opportunities. In fact, we have all the opportunities. So you want to get in touch, and we'll take it from there. I'll take you through everything that you need to know. Right now, when I was actually in my final year, I had this opportunity where I'm able to, use the EDS platform to do some courses at Harvard, and they were really, amazing courses that I had the opportunity to do, all because I was able to take advantage of technology. I was able to, I used my phones, like I used my phone virtually. All the courses I did, I used my phone. When I finished, in fact, some of them I got scholarship for them. I got financial aid. Some of them I got like 90%, 90%, and I had to just top up with a little, and then I finished. So whilst I'm here in Ghana, though I've not even taken a flight to any country before, I can, by the grace of God, say that I've also, added something to my certificate, which I can say I also attended Harvard, right? So let's take advantage of technology. Let's take advantage. It is not now, that we'll be looking out for companies to employ. We have our own dreams, we have our visions, and we need to, make time for us ourselves to come up with how we are going to achieve those. And if you are making $500 a month, that's a good money, right? If you are earning $500 a month, that is about almost 3,000 Ghana cedis. If you are earning $1,000 a month, that is about almost 6,000 Ghana. And it goes on, it goes on, it goes on. So you want to quickly get in touch, you want to connect with me. We have a lot of opportunities that are available. One of the things I'm chatting is that I want to help to preach the information, tell other people about opportunities that are out there that are impacting lives. So you want to come on board, you want to just you can put it in the chat, okay? If you want to add some other new skills, you want to learn some new things, you want to learn skills that are making waves, skills that will keep you on, even if nobody employs you, you can just employ yourself. And this one, you don't need to go and buy a shop. You don't need to go and, like, a whole lot of things that are involved in starting a business. You don't need all those stuffs. All you need is your smartphone. So you get your smartphone, you get your data. You are no longer just using it to WhatsApp, Facebook, and all those things, but rather at the end of the day, you are getting value for the data you are buying. You are getting value for the phone that you buy. A lot of people are using iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 12, and even iPhone 13 is out. So a lot of people are using this kind of phones in Ghana, yet they are not making anything out of it. You are using one of the best phones, and all you do is WhatsApp, chat, call, and take pictures. That's all. No. In fact, our phones can do more than that. So you want to get in touch. The opportunity is there for all of us. Every one of us can do this. In fact, I'm even just amazed that parents are enrolling their children to learn. Children, I'm just like, this is an amazing opportunity. So if you didn't have that chance, you can enroll your children. Your children will come in, they learn this skill, and they are not going to be asking you for money anymore. And people who, I think, like these people in Ghana, they will not be looking out for opportunities. They are rather taking advantage. Retired people who have worked and they have retired, they are even taking advantage of our opportunity. So in our opportunity, everybody has a chance. Everybody has something to do, right? So all you have to do is to take the opportunity, is to move your faith, okay? The scriptures tell us that faith without action, okay, faith without works is dead. So if I have faith that tomorrow is going to be great, and then I don't make any step, I don't make any effort, you see that at the end of the day, nothing is going to come out. I will keep struggling and struggling, and that is not what God wants us to do. We are meant to have dominion on earth, okay? And how can we have dominion? You can have dominion when you are able to be like the king, the presidents, and co. They have authority. So dominators have authority. So it means that you are a leader. Leaders are dominators. So you need to become a leader. So if you are not taking that role of being a leader, you want to take it very, very, very serious now. You want to plant yourself into that path. You want to chart the path of being a leader. So you want to put in all efforts. And in our company, in fact, oh my God, I'm just amazed because the kind of staffs we are getting, even in a university, nobody teaches that. But we have all those things and we have them. You just, have access and you come in, right? So, and Harvard it's so much expensive to do some of these things. I shared that when I was in the university, the skill that I'm learning right now in Xtreamfx Global Academy, the companies that were there, they were charging $300, $300 a month. And I was like, hey, where am I going to get this amount of money? Because when I bring it to Ghana City, that's a lot of money, right? That's a whole lot of money. And where am I going to get that from if I don't have someone who is taking care, who is paying my fees and all those stuff, someone that I can, bank on to say I need money. I can take my phone and say, hey daddy, I need money. Hey mommy, I need money. I need to do this. I got this plan. I got this business I want to do. I need money. I had no one like that, so I had to push my way through. And God has been faithful. God has been on my side. I give all the glory to God. All that I am and all that I'm going to be, they are all by the grace of God. So, brethren, we want to take charge. There are a lot of generations that are waiting for our manifestation, and many people are waiting to see what God has destined us to become. So we need to take up the challenge. We need to take up the challenge. We need to take up the challenge. What is going on in Ghana right now? If we the youths, we don't become so wise. If we don't become wise, a time is coming in Ghana, it will really be very difficult, because it's only the rich guys who are at the top that will keep getting the money. They keep graduating, taking all the money, whilst the ones who are supposed to be helped for them to come up, so we can have a certain kind of lifestyle in Ghana where no one is poor, where no one is needing anymore. Those things are not there. When you study, when you read, you look at things, you look at what is going on, it looks like there's no hope. But we the youth, we must stand up. We need to rise up and then take up the challenge. We need to take up the challenge. Our educational systems have woefully, like they have failed us seriously, because at the end of the day, when you go and spend 4 years in the school, and then you in the university, you spend 4 good years in the university, you are reading things that our parents have read in 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, 1990s. The things that they were studying, they were the same things we are learning today. There is no change. There is no, it's serious, my people. So you want to look up, and we want to take up the challenge to do something for ourselves, for our families, for our country, for our nation, and in all for our God. We want to let God be proud of us. That's all I want to say. We want to let God be proud of us. We want to let God say that, look at my son, look at what my son is doing. And that is it. So if you are interested in making some move where you become a leader, we are training up. We are training leaders. We are training people to become leaders. We are training people to become leaders, right? We are training people to become leaders. So you need to take that. If you have that zeal, okay, you have that zeal to become a leader. You have that zeal to become a leader. Kindly reach out to me in the chat box. I'm going to put out my contact. I'm going to put my contact there. It's going to be a link that you can click on and to take you directly to your WhatsApp domain, where you can send me a WhatsApp message. You don't need to save my number before you do that. So I'll just put the link that contains my WhatsApp number in, and then you just click on the link. You get to me, and then we continue. Thank you very much. Let me just put it. Let me do that right away. Let me put my contact under the chat box so that you can quickly get to me, and we take it from there. It's very important for us to take charge of our lives whilst we are praying, whilst we are making all the efforts. We want to put in the work. We want to put in the work. We want to do the input, which is the work. And once we do that, it's going to be awesome. I just put my contacts there. That's a link, a WhatsApp link. Once you click on the link, you are going to get in touch with me, and we take it from there. I'll take you through all the procedure, all the processes, everything that you need to know. I'm going to guide you. I'm going to lead you, and we are going to all grow together, become successful together. And I want to say thank you very much for watching. Chemistry, okay, Nyade chemistry, Fortune, Chris, and I want to thank you all for watching, and every other person who is going to watch this video. You want to click on the link I put there, and then you want to get in touch, because we need to make a move, right? We need to make a move. We need to make a move. Yeah, we the youth, we need to make a move. We need to make a move. That's all. Thank you very much.